it's time for another episode of Mac Minute. This week we're going to show you how you get some information about your system. We've had a couple of questions from people wanting to know how they can find out what version of software they're running or some other information about their hardware. And there's actually two ways, especially depending on what kind of information that you want. The quickest way is while you're on your desktop is to come up here and go to About This Mac, and this little window pops up and you get some basic information. You know what version you're running. You can get software updates from here, which you can do from the App Store, which we've already talked about before, and your processor, your memory, your startup disk, and then there's the More Info button, which provides you some more details. In here, you can tell what kind of processor you have. You can tell what kind of graphics card you have, and most importantly, you have your serial number. That's typically what most people are looking for, is the serial number. And then you also have your software version here as well. Now, the other way you can do it and get more information is if you go to the utilities. So we're going to go into applications, then go to utilities, and you see right here a chip with a compass on top of it, and it says system information. So we're going to click on that. And now we get a lot more information. This reminds you of a lot of the system info you have in Windows. If you come from Windows and you've gone into the system and system hardware, this is very similar to what that is. So you click down here and you can see what kind of audio cards you have, what devices you have, diagnostic, card readers, anything you have in your machine is going to show up here, and you can get details. So if you're looking to upgrade your video card but you're not sure what you have, this is the place to go to look out and see what you have. So you can kind of compare to what you need to get. So all your components are listed in this system information program. That's it for Mac Minute this week, a real quick one. We'll talk to you next week. For show notes for this show, contacts, and more, go to the TechZen.tv website where you can get show notes for all of our shows. We love to hear from our viewers and listeners. We have an email, a Twitter, and a phone number where you can contact us for each show. For details, visit the TechZen.tv website and get the show details. You can also make a video and upload it somewhere like YouTube or Vimeo and then just send us a link. You never know, you may see your video in a future show. You can get all of our shows delivered automatically to your favorite device by going to your favorite podcast website like iTunes and subscribing. Each of our shows also has a YouTube channel you can subscribe to get regular updates. Our shows are also available on most internet radio networks like Stitcher and TuneIn Radio. You can also watch and listen to our shows on Xbox, TiVo, and Roku. You can even find us on your Zune.